So guys, first, right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. So this is Bluetooth, so just right click to update driver, close, then one by one update. Click on search automatically, search automatically for driver, and then close it, close. Then next, type services, just right click to run as administrator. So you can see here Bluetooth, just double click, select automatic, then apply, OK, then click to restart, then support service to again restart, then select open, double click, select the automatic, then click to start, apply, OK, 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 this is not right, then close it. So guys, next method, click to start, run Bluetooth troubleshooter, click to setting, then click to system, then click to troubleshooter, other troubleshoot, Bluetooth, and click to run. You can see here it will detect and resolve the issues.